So I don't correct that my mistake, and no matter the amount of money when Bishiri go get, he cannot bring Israel back. So don't laugh at the family.
With Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. It's your sister, your friend, it's your girl. This is the first time you just didn't get post for YouTube. You just come across this our channel. Please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I post video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. For this our channel, now to read now with the talking, now Pidgin English will take the Nakawa story for you. So today we want to talk about Pastor Bishiri daughter, 8 years old little girl, Israela. When people say she passed away at funeral, and mistake when I make about the previous video when I failed to, I come here come correct her. So before I correct the mistake, I just want to talk about little about Pastor Bishiri and her daughter, the late daughter when he died. Finally, they don't bury her yesterday, which is on the 1st of April. They carry her from Kenya to Malawi, their own town. They go bury her. For there, may her soul rest in perfect peace, and I pray that Almighty God will continue to give the family the strength to bear this great loss, because not be something when be say person wish made their pikin they die or made that they bury their pikin. Actually, the whole story be say Pastor Bishiri now pastor for their town for Malawi, pastor big congregation, get problem with the government. They say they scam people, they take their money, that he gets a lot of money. So their governments come, they try to sanction her, they even carry and detain her. They talk say I take get the money that people they complain say it they scam people. So due to this problem, we be say he gets with his own government, the pikin he come there on detention, he not there around. So the pikin come they sick Israela. As they sick now, the family try to carry Israela go Kenya for treatment, but the airport authority of Malawi they no agree make a carry and enter, because that family don't already get a sanction or whatever. No, that's I want to put on for Pidgin English. So that's why they don't carry on. So we can't get delay, and according to the way they take on, they say the delay come too much. So they can finally carry her to that Kenya hospital, and the doctor come to say I wish they bring her come earlier, that the pikin for not die. So the thing come pain Bishiri say, like say they bring her come earlier, maybe the daughter for not die. So now Pastor Bishiri they blame the government of the death of their daughter. Many people come they talk say now Bishiri Naki his own daughter, say because like say he not do wuru for the work wey they do, if you not get problem with government. So the government no agreement they carry the pikin pass for airport, say na he use him hand take peme in your daughter. Why some people come they tell say why you no see vision? If you see the vision, even when they see vision for other people. So people come say to say Pastor Bishiri get money, if you build hospital for Malawi, because he get enough money to build a standard hospital when therefore he will fit take care of the daughter. But I don't know how truth is this one. I know it's a pocket. I know if you know that I get money or you don't get money. But the truth of the matter be say, no matter what, even though say the papa commit sin, I know they support Bishiri for year now. But I they try to bring my own opinion, because everybody get right to their own opinion, that even if say pikin they sick and papa get problem with government, they're not supposed to use and take rub the sick pikin, because the girl na just little girl, you don't know what they talk. So as it be say need treatment at that time, Malawi for allow her pass go take her treatment for Kenya hospital dey Malawi, but they decide to go Kenya. They know why they decide. Maybe the doctor when they really need for that sickness is dey Kenya. So Malawi for allow them go treat this little girl for Kenya. No matter what the father do, I know beside they support the father. Baby, no they may happy to more than not change her from my mouth. I know they support the father for anything where he do when he get problem with government. But my own concern here is that even if say papa get problem with government, now papa go for it. You're not supposed to consign this little girl. She dey sick, she need medical attention. Therefore allow her go take her medical, because they foresee her say she not really well. But can't leave this little girl now, you can't just go like that. It's so painful. because this pikin now is sick for a very long time before they come finally carry am go see the doctor wey be say na him really wan fit cure the problem wey she get. So that delay na make this pikin die, and Pastor Bishiri now dey blame the government. You can see say this their matter e go go a very long way, because now Pastor Bishiri don dey vex, he don lose the pikin. Only God na know the best. But sometimes for this life e good maybe say if Lord dey, make e dey for person wey commit crime, and e no still good make person still dey commit crime, because sometimes if you commit crime e go affect your family, and if Lord still dey, e no suppose to affect the innocent one. Now that will be my opinion for this matter. And the mistake wey me carry come here so for the other my video wey I first make. First of all, before I talk about the mistake, I want to greet Kenyan people. Kenyan people, I'm so sorry, but the mistake not be only me wan make am, because the journalists wey still carry am na Kenya e right. You know say we dey follow journalists, because na journalists dey there. So anything they write now we dey take. So we dey follow journalists. So the journalists maybe make mistake in writing. So now so me take see am before they correct am. So more than not to blame me, not be only me wan make the mistake. And beside that, I'm not a perfect being. I'm not be God. I'm just a human being. We are bound to make a mistake. So that mistake now I make, that's why I still come back here, come correct this mistake. And I will tell Kenyan people that you people are really good people. I love you so much, because you correct me with love. You not correct me with insults. Even if say, as I say talk and say na Kenyan people na ekpeme the small pikin, all of them they vex, but they don't put that anger on me, because they know say na mistake I make, and they tell me say I will correct this mistake. If you see all their comment was so lovely, they were correcting me that is not Kenya, they are good people. They did not even insult me. That's why I say Kenyan people, you people are really good people. God will continue to bless all Kenya, bless Nigeria, bless all Africa. One love. I really appreciate the way people corrected me. I don't just see any insult at all. With love. I don't know say Kenyan people good like this. When I did the Zimbabwe video, oh my God, and I don't even talk bad about them, about Jimmy G story that time, you guys can remember. They say make I bring my head, make they not come. I say if they come and they come like this, and they go hide under bed. I they hide for back of door, I they hide for kitchen. If you just they come like this, now boza. They finish me. They go me. They janga me. If you see the kind of comment whether they bring, they comment people, Zimbabwe people get mad, sha. But I still love them. They are all my Africa brothers and sisters. Kenyan people, the way you people corrected me, oh, I so much love you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I don't correct the mistake now. Not be Kenyan people, not allow her to enter. Now Malawi, Pastor Bishiri country. Now they no green. Make the pass airport. Now the authority people, now the delay will be say take concern. So I don't correct that my mistake. And I just pray that God will continue to protect the family, and Pastor Bishiri, God will guide and protect him. If you know say your hand not clean as they talk, please try to do the right thing as a man of God. If your hand still clean, continue the way you dey live your life. If your hand not clean, you know now you yourself, now you know the kind of person you be. We not feel know you, so now so it be. And anybody when they laugh the family, please stop laughing the family, because nobody will you know they see. You understand? The Bible say, rejoice with those that rejoice, and weep with those that weep. So laughing someone at this time, no matter what, is not good, because now person now lost. So no matter the amount of money when Bishiri go get, it cannot bring Israel back. So don't laugh at the family, please. It's not good. It's not good at all. I beg you people, sympathize with the family. So I would like to stop this my video for here. Thank you for watching, and if you watch this video, share this video to Kenyan people to make them understand say I don't correct the mistake, because the way that they correct me with love, and they say we do the video again to correct it, that's why I do it again to correct it. I really appreciate them, And thank you so much, and I appreciate everybody, all my African brothers and sisters. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. If you share this our video, you are going to save soul. We always make video that we save life, that we help people a lot. So stay with us on this channel to get more of our video. If you have not subscribed, use this opportunity to hit the red button so you'll be the first person to be notified anytime I put video here. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin, anyone you call me, I did there for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.